On Adobe Firefly, not only can you generate pro-level AI videos, but also transform boring, static images into dynamic video clips that grab attention. Simply add your photo, describe how you want it to move using a text prompt, and watch as AI instantly brings your image to life. In this Firefly sponsored video, you'll follow along as I walk you step by step through the entire process so you can see this powerful feature in action. So let's head over to Adobe Firefly and go over how to turn photos into video clips with AI. To access Adobe Firefly and follow along, go ahead and click the link in the video description. So here's the Firefly homepage. In order to turn images into videos, we'll need to head over to the AI video generator. To do this, let's start by clicking the New tab from the menu on the left-hand side. From the menu here, let's go down to the Generate New section and click the Video tab. And this will take us over to the AI video generator on Adobe Firefly. Here's where we can use AI to easily generate videos using text prompts, and also turn our images into videos. At the top of the General Settings menu on the left here, we can select our AI model. You can select the Firefly Video Model, which is commercially safe, or one of their partner models. For this example, let's go with Firefly Video. And using the next drop-down menu here, we can select the resolution we want our video to be. With Firefly Video, we can select a 540, 720, or 1080p resolution. Let's go with 1080p. And underneath this, we can select our aspect ratio. We can either select a 16:9 widescreen, a 1:1 square, or a 9:16 vertical video. For this example, let's go with the 16:9 widescreen. And when generating clips with Firefly Video, keep in mind that it'll generate at 24 frames per second and have a 5-second duration. So now let's move down to the frames section. Here's where we can add the first frame of our video, which is what we'll be using to turn our image into a video clip. We can also add a last frame, which we'll go over later as well. So to add the image that I want to turn into a video clip, let's start by clicking the first frame option here. You can then select to search your device or Adobe Cloud Storage. Then find and open up the image that you want to use. For this example, I want to see if I can turn this image of a city skyline into a cool video clip. And since my image is a bit taller than 16:9, I can easily use the preview here to select the part of the image that I want to use. I think that'll work. So I've added the image that I want to turn into a video. So let's move down to the next section here where we can select our camera motion. At the top here, we can actually add a motion reference video. We'll take a look at this shortly, but for now, let's go down to the motion section. Here's where you can select from various camera movements for your video clip. This includes things like zooming in and out, tilting up or down, and even a handheld option. For this example, I actually want my camera to be static. So now that I've added my image and selected my camera motion, let's go down to the prompt field. Here's where we can use a text prompt to describe the video that we want to generate using our image. So for my image of a city skyline, let's see if we can animate the city and have it transform from night to dawn with cars zooming down the streets and a smooth time-lapse effect. I think that should look pretty cool. So once you enter your text prompt, go ahead and go down to the bottom right here and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze your text prompt and your image and start turning it into a video. This may take a few moments, but once it's finished, your video will be available in the preview screen here. Let's play it and see how it turned out. I have my cars zooming by on the streets and my sky is transitioning from night to day in a cool time-lapse effect. I think this turned out great. I can now download my video clip and use it however I like. In the next example, we'll be going over how to animate images using the first and last frames. This is where we have two images and have one image transition into the other. I've already selected my video settings, so now let's go back down to the frame section. So I have these two images here, but I want the first image to transition into the second image in a unique way. To do this, let's simply add my starting image to the first frame. There we go. And for the last frame, let's add the ending image with the milk on the table. And once you add your starting and ending image to the first and last frame, you can then go down and add your text prompt. For my transition, let's have a farmer walk up and put the pitcher and cup of milk on the table, then walk away. And once you've added your first and last frame and your text prompt, go ahead and go down to the bottom and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze your text prompt and your frames and start generating your transition. This may take a bit longer than using a single frame, but once it's finished, your video will be available in the preview. So let's check out my video clip here and see how it looks. I have my farmer that walks up, puts the pitcher and milk on the table, then walks off. I think that worked perfectly. This will be a cool way to create some product ad videos to show off your products. I can now download my new video clip I created from my 2 images and use it however I like. When turning photos to videos, you can also use a motion reference video to get the exact camera movement you want. For example, let's say I have this image of a city that I want to turn into a video clip that has the same camera motion as this video here. I can simply add my image to the first frame just like the previous examples, but this time, under the camera settings, we're going to add a motion reference video. Here's where you can upload a 5 to 20 second video with the same camera motion that you want to use. AI should recognize the camera motion and apply it to my image. So let's click here to add my motion reference video. And keep in mind, longer videos will be trimmed to the first 5 seconds. So my image has been added to the first frame, and I've added my motion reference video. So now let's go down and add my text prompt. For my prompt, I'm simply going to ask AI to animate the city with flickering lights and cars zooming by on the streets. And if everything works right, my camera movement should be picked up by my motion reference video. And once you add your prompt, go ahead and go down to the bottom right and click the Generate button. AI will then analyze my prompt and my motion reference and start animating my image. This may take about a minute or two, but once it's finished, your video should be available in your preview. So let's play my video and check it out. My city has been animated with flickering lights and cars passing by, and my camera movement is exactly the same as my motion reference. I think that worked perfectly. I can now download my video clip and use it on my website, social media page, or wherever else I want. So that's a quick overview of how to turn images into videos on Adobe Firefly. To sign up for Firefly and try it yourself, go ahead and click the link in the video description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.